Good afternoon, friends and respected teachers. I am Sri. I am studying mechanical group in Devi College. I like reading books from social working. I achieve certificates in drawing and essay writing. I am not happy for this. I achieve something more in future. My failure is I want to get school first in my 10th, but my health is not comfortable to me, so I can't achieve that. My dream is I become an engineer and make my friends happy. Thanking you for giving this opportunity to me.
Good afternoon, friends. This is Navin Venkat. I am a student of mechanical branch from Lendi Engineering College. In my free time, I would like to play cricket and love listening music. Most of my friends call me Srina. My achievement is to become a mechanical engineer. That's all.
Good afternoon to all. This is Kolli Udekaran speaking in front of you, and I belongs to mechanical branch, and I love in free time collecting coins and playing cricket. And when I was studying in 5th standard, I went in competition of in my school collecting coins, and I have got 5th position. And I think that this is the biggest achievement and goal. And thanking you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Good evening, Kannada. Myself, Navin Kumar. I am studying in mechanical engineer in Lendi institution. In my free time, I have to play basketball. I want to become a good mechanical engineer, but my father's dream is to become me as a IPS officer. Thanking me.
Good afternoon, Kannada. I tell about myself. My name is Om Shekhar. I am studying mechanical engineering. In free time, I play cricket and watching movies. I would want to become a good mechanical engineer, and my dream is to design a new bike.
Good morning to one another. My name is Sasul and I am from Vizag. My biggest achievement is I got a prize in singing and I got a prize in drawing also. And my biggest ambition is to become a mechanical engineer, and I want to settle down in a railways. That is my important goal for me. And my dream, my failure is I was not selected for IIT. That is the biggest failure in my life. That's all.
Morning, friends and respected sirs. My name is P. Krishna. I came from Karvadi, and I am complete my mechanical engineering in Lendi College. I like chess and badminton. I would like I am complete my I am found a big machine and it is useful to our country. This is my life ambition. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Kumar from the branch of Mechanical Engineering in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. in leisure time, I like to sing songs and do dancing for a particular song. My achievement is I get a prize from my principal sir for performing a wonderful skit. My dream is to become a good mechanical engineer for useful to our society. That's it.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am S. Purnachandra Kumar from Mechanical Engineering. I am from an esteemed educational institutions, the Swetajarati institutions in Hubli, and I am coming from Hubli. But corporate made me take hell of me, and my love towards graffiti made me paint on the walls of my hostel rooms, which brought a great honor to me, and that was my greatest achievement. And like most of the youngsters, I am an IT aspirant, but I was failure, and I regret for my failure. And my love towards cars made me run towards mechanical engineering. Thank you.
Good. You use 1 minute time. Very good.
My name is K. Manoj Kumar from Mechanical Branch. I like to do in free time for searching new things in internet. When coming to my achievement in 10th class, I attended a seminar and got first prize. That is my achievement. And my noble failure is before I write the AMCET exam, I expected below 10,000, but I failed to achieve that. And my future ambition is to get placed in campus interview with great recruitment. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my friends. My name is Am Srinivas. I am coming from Bhimanapatnam. I am listening the music. I liked the play cricket and volleyball. I have learned from many special equipments. That's it.
Good afternoon, friends and respected teacher. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh. I'm studying at Lindy Engineering College. Came from Hubli. I would like to play cricket, but I could not get the chance. My achievement, be a good engineer, and I feel to.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rishreja, studying in mechanical B section in Lendi College. I'm from Visakhapatnam. In my leisure time, I want to watch movies and spend time with my friends. I tried to get IIT, but I could not get it. In my leisure time, I watch movies. I want to become a good mechanical engineer. I want to become good mechanical engineer. And get into good position. And after that, I want to help good people and serve my country. Thank you.
Mic up is thank you.
My name is P. Srinivasarao. I am coming from Visakhapatnam. I am mechanical B section. Mechanical B, and I want to become a good mechanical engineer. And my hobby is playing cricket. And failure in my life, I want to become a pilot, but due to lack of money, I achieved second prize in district wise in drawing. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am E.M. Nikanda coming from 5 I usually want to play cricket and making fun of my friends in the usual time, in the leisure times. One of my achievement in my life is I have beaten a six in the condition that situation that demands to get a six in one ball to win. For that I got 3,000 rupees check from my BET professionals. One of my noble failure in my life is I have losing the chance to participate in SGFI due to shoe spikes. My biggest ambition in my life is to be a good mechanical engineer and see my parents in a position that they talk proudly about me anywhere else. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and friends. My name is Amadou, studying BTech first year mechanical engineer in Lindy College. In free time, I watch TV, playing. Okay. And my failure after completion my MCET exams, after completion my IP, I applied for etc. But at the end of my results, I disappointed the rank. And my ambition is to become a good mechanical engineer and to own my own house and the car and a good salary. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am S.P. Ajay, graduating my BTech in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am from mechanical branch and I would like to direct films, and my aim is to become a good director and as well as a good engineer in future, and I would serve my country as a good person, and as I would like to serve like a good person in the good society. And thank you one and all for giving this opportunity.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ashwan. I am studying mechanical in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am coming from Vizag. In my free time, I like to play volleyball. My achievement is to become a captain in Navy. My biggest dream is to become a politician. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is S. Avinash Babu. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to say a few things about myself. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to say a few things about myself. My name is S. Avinash Babu. I am mechanical branch B. I would like to spend more time with my friends in my leisure time. And I doesn't have a highest achievements in our life. My aim is to become a great mechanical engineer and proud to my parents. Thank you.
Don't take this chair, stand, place your mutual.
My name is Arvind Sai. I have completed my intermediate in Narayana Junior College. My biggest achievement is to be a mechanical engineer. My noble failure is I want to become a great cricket player, but it won't happen.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chaitanya and I am from Mechanical Engineering studying in Lendi Engineering College. I am hamlet of Vijayanagaram. I like spending my free time by being with my parents and friends. And my ambition is to become a great businessman. Thank you, Anand.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Chandra Venkat Prasad and I am studying Mechanical Engineering in the Institute of Technology and Science, and I am coming from Ahmedabad. In my big achievement is becoming a good mechanical engineer. I would like to play cricket and listen music in free times. And my goal is becoming a good mechanical engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is S. Dilip Kumar and I am from Mechanical Branch in Lendi Engineering of Institute and Technology. My achievement is to become a mechanical engineer, and in leisure time I want to listen music and reading books. My noble failure is to become an astronaut, but I have failed it. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Venkatesh. I am from Vizag. I am studying in Lendi Institute of Engineering Technology. I would like to do in my free time chatting with friends and playing cricket. And my ambition, my achievement is to.
Ambition is to?
My ambition is to be a good cricketer. And my noble failure is I want to become a pilot, but I could not succeed. And my ambition is to be a good cricketer. That's it.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is P. Bhavani Shankar. I am studying in Lendi Institute of Technology in Mechanical B section. In my leisure time, I would like to play cricket and I would like to become a good mechanical engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. I am K. Balaraj from Mechanical B section. I am very glad to stand before you and I want to be a good cricketer, but I didn't succeed. I want to become a designer.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am T. Maitra Verma from Mechanical B section. I would like to spend free time with my friends and I would like to read books. I got 92% in Inter. This was my greatest achievement. I want to enter into take aeronautical engineer, but I couldn't. This was my noble failure. My ambition is to do MS in US. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prashant. I am the student of Mechanical Engineer in Lendi Institute of Technology. In free time, I used to discuss with my parents about the topic which were held in my life. I achieved a monument from principal in the painting competition. I want to become an automobile engineer. I want to invent a machine which is used to future generation.
Good afternoon, my name is T. Vishnu. I am from Lendi Mechanical Engineer. In free time, I like to watch TV. My ambition is to become a good mechanical engineer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Joshua Daniel. In my free time, I want to play games
and spend a lot of time with my parents. I have no achievements till now, but I want to achieve many things in my life. My failure is I want to become a musician, but my surroundings doesn't supports me. I want to become a good engineer and make proud my parents. Thank you, one and all.
Good afternoon, my friends. My name is K. Nessi of Mechanical B section at Reddy College. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies. My career is not getting good marks in AMSAT. My ambition is to become a mechanical engineer, and my dream is to buy a new Lamborghini car. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is K.S. Piran. I'm coming from Vizag. My biggest achievement to buy a big house for my parents, and my noble failure was to become I want to become a pilot, but I can't because I want to become a mechanical engineer. I want to make a ultra modern car. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Nagesh and I am from National. And my lifetime achievements is where I already got from my parents. I want to be a good engineer.
Hi friends, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Venkatesh. In my free time I like to do wildlife photography and I want to become a naval engineer.
Hi friends. Good afternoon to everyone.
Record out and choose code.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Shabrinath. I am from mechanical branch. In free time, I want to listen music. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Sir, आप